Calvin Ocana, please take your seat. We would like to acknowledge Calvin Ocana. Please be seated.
Ay, isa lang. Okay lang. Isa lang naman out kailangan natin eh.
All right, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Novotel. We thank you for joining us in what would be a fun afternoon, as this is the press conference for your PBA 50th season Philippine Cup Finals. I'm Carlo Pamintuan, your host for this afternoon. Our friends from the media, thank you so much for joining us in what would be a great series between these two teams. But first, we acknowledge our VIPs. First, please welcome and give a big round of applause for San Miguel Beer Governor, Mr. Robert Noan. Representing PBA Chairman and TNT Governor, Mr. Ricky Vargas, is TNT Team Manager, Mr. Jojo Lastimosa. Of course, front and center is our PBA Commissioner, Mr. Willie Marshall. We also acknowledge the presence of PBA Finance Director, Ms. Odessa Encarnacion. Hi, ma'am. And usually this is where you all stand up and clap because we acknowledge Mr. Dave Coros of the PBA Media Bureau. A special request from Comwillie, we acknowledge the PBA Head of Social Media, Ms. Mitch Flores. And of course, our two teams seeing action for the finals of your PBA Philippine Cup. Introducing first, our guests from the San Miguel Beermen. We have head coach Leo Austria. Joining Coach Leo are Rodney Brondial, Jericho Cruz, Don Troliano, Marcio Lassiter, Chris Ross, CJ Perez, and June Mar Fajardo. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Now representing the TNT Tropa 5G is head coach Chot Reyes. With him here, Brandon Canuelas Rosser, Boy Eram, Kelly Williams, Jordan Heading, RR Pugoy, Reynam Bata, and Calvin Octana. One more round of applause, please, for TNT Tropang 5G. And to welcome everyone to this press conference, we toss the mic over to PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Ito na naman tayo sa press finals press ko natin. Papasalamat ako sa media na nandyan sa mga photogs na parating naasahan namin na nandito kayo. Yung mga nanonood sa Facebook, sa mga fans, magandang hapon sa inyo. Pasalamat din ako sa dalawang teams na nandito. Coach Leo, Coach Chot, Governor Robert Non, Coach Jolas, team manager ng Talk and Text. Pina-research ko kay Fidel kung pang ilang finals na itong San Miguel at Talk and Text. Sinabi niya pang-8. Pang-8 na pala itong kanilang finals. So, maasahan nyo na maganda to. Kaya, record, hindi ko na, huwag mo na ako sa kausapin sa head-to-head. Tatawagan mo lang si Fidel mamaya. Ha? So, maraming salamat. At nandito kayo. Muli, sa susunod na press con, lalo yung photogs. Talagang walang kupas yung mga yan. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Com Willie, for that. You know, the PBA Philippine Cup had a lot of outstanding games. You had many performances that we will remember for a long time. Young teams emerging, young superstars arriving, but we end up where we ended the PBA 49th season with San Miguel Beer going up against TNT. And it's now time to hear from the teams. Let's start off with SMB Governor, Mr. Robert Nons. Robert, Good afternoon and welcome to the press conference.
Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. It's nice to be back again dito sa finals press con. Hindi naman kami magsasawa kung lagi kami nandito, okay lang. The last time SMB met Talk and Text, ang hirap talunin. Pero this time, mas mahirap kasi nagbalikan na yung mga superstars nila eh. And hopefully, SMB was toughened by the series with Ginebra para makasabay sa Talk and Text this time around. And I'm hoping that the team is prepared to defend the crown. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Gov. Robert Noren. Now, yes, Gov.
Bago ko makalimutan lahat, napaka-importante nito. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Arena Plus. Kung hindi dahil sa Arena Plus, wala tayong press con. Kaya palakpakan naman natin ang Arena Plus.
Maraming salamat ko. Maraming salamat, Arena Plus. Time to send the mic over to TNT team manager, Mr. Jojo Lastimosa. Sir?
Good afternoon, guys. The last time I was here sa press con ito was I think 2022 when Coach Chot took a leave of absence, and this is the first time in like 3-4 years now I'm here in front of you. So I'm representing Governor Ricky, who's not here. I'm just looking forward to the series, and we really wanted to come back to the finals and hopefully redeem ourselves because we got beat so bad by San Miguel last time out. So again, I was going to repeat Coach Chot's words that this is not a revenge series. This is just us trying to get a championship for Jordan and for the guys who hasn't won yet. So we're looking forward to the series. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, team manager Jojo Lastimosa. Now we go back to the San Miguel side and hear some words from head coach Leo Austria. Good afternoon, Coach Leo.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos sa pagtitipong ito at binigyan kami ng pagkakataon na makarating ulit dito sa championship ng Philippine Cup. And binigyan rin kami ng pagkakataon na i-defend yung crown namin last All-Filipino Cup. But a lot of people expecting us na we will dominate the game. But for me, it's not that easy because alam nyo naman na after winning a championship, a lot of teams is thinking how to get that championship out from our side. And makikita naman natin na almost all the teams in the PBS is deserving to be in the finals, especially at Talk and Text. And they're playing really well, especially in the last series nila. And last time around, we won the championship not because of a lot of effort sa amin, but maybe because they have a lot of players na hindi nakapaglaro because of some injuries, but that's part of the game. But this time, I'm expecting a very tough opponent because, siyempre, if natalo ka ng championship ganyan, so I'm thinking is how to get back. But in our part, every game, every championship, we want to win. And maybe this series will be an exciting game. And matutuwa nito ang crowd dahil mapapasaya na naman natin sila. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Coach Leo Austria, for those words. Now it's time to hear from TNT head coach, Mr. Chot Reyes. Coach?
Yeah, good afternoon. I've always believed that 50% of success in life lies in showing up. Now, when you show up, it doesn't automatically guarantee success. But the reverse is always true. That is, if you do not show up, then you have no chance. So, ganun ang approach namin in the finals. For us, 50% of the work is getting here. And however, that doesn't automatically guarantee success. The 50% still has to be done. And that 50% is represented by the other side, very, very formidable team. Ang San Miguel, we all know that they have dominated the All-Filipino Cup for the last decade practically. So for us, we're just very glad to be here. We have shown up, they have shown up, you all here have shown up, our friends from the press. So I think this bodes well for a successful finals. But sabi nga namin ni Coach Leo nung nag-usap kami kanina, basta wag tayo magsawang dumating dito. And then whoever comes out the winner, then that's really going to depend on which team plays better. But for us, the fact that we're here is a tremendous honor for us. And now it's time for us to buckle down and get the other 50% done. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Shot. You know, since 2010, TNT has won 4 championships in the Philippine Cup, including the 3-peat. But for San Miguel Beer, that's 7 Philippine Cup championships, including their 5-peat. So you're looking at the 2 most dominant Philippine Cup squads in the past history of the PBA. Now it's time to open the floor to questions from members of the media. Just please raise your hand and introduce yourself. You can direct any and all questions to anyone here in our VIP table. Who will open our questions from the media? There's a mic out middle. You want me to call someone out or there? Mr. Justin Bacnis will open it.
Ay, afternoon po sa lahat. Question lang po, directed for Coach Chot. Coach, we know naman you guys are still missing Kuya Jason and si Pogs medyo doubtful pa for the early part of the series. But sa paparating na finals, how do you like how optimistic are you po of the guard depth that you have right now? Thank you.
It really doesn't matter who is on the roster, who's 100%. It doesn't affect our optimism because I feel that if we are coming into this series with less than 100% belief, then we have no chance. So it starts from there. We have to have the belief that regardless of who's healthy or not, that we are going to come out and play our best game. The problem is, even if we bring out our best game, it's not a guarantee that we will beat a team as strong as San Miguel. But in the end, that's all we can do. All we can do is do our best. And then if that happens to be enough, then so be it. But if not, then it doesn't bother us too much. It doesn't affect our belief on whether we have Jason and Roger. They're big part of our team. But in terms of our belief, it doesn't bother us too much.
Thank you, Justin.
Coach Shot, gaano ka relief para sa inyo na nandiyan na si Poy tapos healthy si VGR, considering na syempre ang kabantayan nila si Junmar?
Of course, it's a big factor. Any coach will tell you that if you have your entire arsenal, kompleto yung roster mo, then obviously that's the kind of situation you want to be in. But at the same time, every coach knows that injuries, sickness it's part of the game. It's part of any kind of series. So to answer your question, we're very happy. It plays a big role in our belief. But in the end, the job has to be done on the court. So dun pa rin magkakaalaman.
Hello, Robert Andaya po. Kay Junmar po. Junmar, kamusta lang yung shoulder mo na iniinda nung semis lang? Yun lang po.
Okay naman. Getting better naman. So, kailangan maganda sa finals kasi alam namin na magiging mahirap to na finals para sa amin. Pero yun nga, sana makuha namin yung championship.
Thank you, Junmar. Any more questions from the members of the media? Ako muna. Injury update naman. Roger Pogoy, how are you feeling? Will you be okay to play at some point in the finals?
Yun yung goal namin na makahabol ako sa finals. Pero ngayon, nagpapalakas pa sa hamstring ko. Tapos, yun lang. Yun lang yung update sa akin.
Thank you, RR. Next questions, please.
to Ray ng Batak. Ray, you're coming back now in the finals after winning yung finals MVP last time. So, kumusta ka naman? How motivated are you na nakabalik ka sa makakalaro ka ngayon sa finals?
So far so good. Healthy naman and excited na din at the same time kasi yun nga, after na-sit out ng one conference, so nakabalik ulit ako sa finals and then yun nga, dagdag motivation na rin na yung pagkatalo last conference. And ito na, para sa akin personally, gagawin ko lang yung best ko kung anong kulang sa team. Yun lang yung gagampanan ko, yung role ko lang din sa team.
Question for Jericho Cruz. Jericho, over here. Ayun nga, natanong si Ray who won the finals MVP not too long ago, and then ikaw naman, recently then, you also won the finals MVP. How excited are you to go up against him on the backcourt dito sa paparating na finals?
Well, di ko naman iniisip yung matchup na yun. Ako, ang iniisip ko yung team namin eh. Ang kung paano ko tulungan yung team namin. Yun nga, basketball is not an individual sport. So, it's a team sport. So, ayun. Ako, excited lang din ako maglaro ngayong finals ulit. And hopefully, maging ganun ulit yung mangyari sa amin. Yun lang.
Follow up lang kay Jericho. Jericho, tinanong kita after nung Game 6 kung kinakabahan ka na ba kasi pabalik ka ng final. Sabi mo hindi mo pa nararamdaman nun. And then, the coming days mo na lang mararamdaman. So ngayon ba, kamusta yung pakiramdam mo na papalapit na?
Yun, kinakabahan na nga ako ngayon. Kasi di naman ako, di ako sanay sa mga ganito eh. Yung magsasalita sa mga harap ng maraming tao eh. Di ba? Ito yung kinakabahan ko eh. So, ayun lang, excited na ako maglaro ngayon. Excited ako na magsimula na itong finals na to and, let's see what will happen.
Thank you, Melo. Yes, Sir Jerry.
Good afternoon. To Jordan Heading. Jordan, how do you like your chances of winning championship this time after being foiled by San Miguel last conference?
Yeah, I mean, we're just really happy to have this opportunity again to have another crack at this thing, and yeah, we're just hoping that it comes out a little bit differently this time. But yeah, we're excited to get going.
I think one of the battle cries of the team is win one for Jordan. How do you like that idea?
Oh, it sounds like a nice idea, winning one. Obviously these guys have a lot of championships behind them, and I'd like to join that group. But yeah, I'm just trying to learn from the guys who've done it already, and as they take the lead, hopefully we'll take steps in the right direction.
Coach, tama ba yung parang narinig ko sa yung previous interview na isa sa objective is to win a championship for...
Ako, tinatanong mo?
Yes,
Si
yes.
George. Ako.
Parehas siguro. kayo.
I don't
Si
recall
Coach
saying that, maybe sa iba, but for us, for me personally, that's not it's not a big part of what we want to achieve. It would be great if we win for everyone, most especially for the organization.
Coach Joe, same question.
Sinabi mo yan eh. Win one for Jordan o sa... well, ganun naman talaga yung hanganin namin. Even before yung sa akin, hindi ako nakapanalo ng championship, I always wanted to win my first one. So it's really exciting for the guys to be able to do that for Jordan. And Tyrus. And Mike.
Coach Joe, andyan ka na rin lang. Coach, last conference, alam natin medyo nagkaroon ng konting color yung finals after you had some words with Jericho and Chris Ross. No? Magkakaroon ba ng ganung kulay uli this coming finals?
Basta wag lang gawin ni Jericho ulit yun, walang mangyayari. No, okay kami ni Jericho. He played really well. I think he was the reason why the finals MVP siya. So big part of them winning was Jericho's play. So hopefully hindi na ganun kaganda shooting ni Jericho.
Jericho, can we hear something from you out of that kay Coach Jolas? Ayaw sumagot.
Bahala na kung ano mangyari sa game. Basta ako, lalaruin ko yung laro ko. Tapos yung fire sa akin, ilalabas ko pa rin yun. Kumbaga, sabi ni Coach Jonas, huwag ko daw gagawin. Tingnan natin, baka magawa ko ulit yun. So huwag mo na nakawain, Coach, ha? Yun lang yun.
I leave it up to Sir Jerry to ask the juiciest questions so far. Let's ask the veterans of both teams. Chris, I want to hear from you, Chris Ross. 4 wins against Barangay Ginebra, 4 different best player awards. So one of those went to you. But how is the trust top to bottom for your squad, from the starters to the benches? How much is the belief that anyone called upon will be able to deliver for your team?
Hello?
Yeah, we request, Chris, please stand up so the camera can see.
Hello. I just think for our team, we're really deep. So some guys numbers get called every game. Some guys they don't get called every game, and but the belief is that whoever's number is called can deliver. So I think coach has trust in everybody that he puts in the game, and the guys work on their skill level, and they practice really hard. So they have a firm grasp of what we want to do offensively and defensively. So when their number's called, they're ready to answer the call. So I think that goes to show why we had 4 different player of the games, but it's not what we really want to do. I mean, it's good, but I mean, the more people involved, the better. You can't really key in on one guy. As far as like, we obviously know that Jumar is going to be the at the top of the scouting report, but the way Jumar's been playing recently, as far as his passing ability and getting everybody involved, I think he's had 2 or 3 triple doubles this conference. It's made us a lot more dangerous team because you can't just really key in on one guy. So it's really a testament to how we've grown as a team and how we've integrated some of the new guys and able to play more than 5, 6, 7 guys. So it's a testament to our team.
Thank you, Chris. More questions from the media? Let me ask one to Kelly. Kelly, good afternoon. As the veteran here in TNT, you've bridged a couple of generations for TNT already, but still competing at this level. Just how special it is to see the younger talent come up and then help you reach the finals for your squad.
Well,
Please,
I
Kelly,
know
please
that
stand up.
one of the reasons Chop brought me back is to be able to help guide the younger guys. It just so happens that I've kept myself in a sort of shape that he can actually use me as a player as well. So it's really good to see the development. That's one of the roles that I've embraced in the last few years that I've been playing. And again, that's my role here primarily, is to help to continue to perpetuate the environment and the kind of atmosphere that Chot has cultivated over the years that have brought championships to the organization. So I'm just grateful to have an opportunity at this stage of my not only my career but my life to witness it and be a part of it.
Thank you, Kelly. More questions? Sir Ruben.
Hello. To Coach Chot. Coach, nung prior to the season, dami yung ginawang moves. You signed Gio and Kevin Ferrer. Yun bang mga moves na yun, was it built around having a chance, a better chance of beating San Miguel when down the road?
Definitely. If you go into any tournament, you take a look at who's the the big guy on the block, right? So there's no secret that San Miguel, like I said earlier, has dominated this tournament. So if you want to be able to compete with them, then you better have the resources, and that's what guided our build-up in the off-season. So that was the first, and the second was the injuries that we experienced in the last finals. So it was a big part, a big objective for us was to address our depth, and I thought we were able to do that with those additions. So combination of really going and looking at San Miguel as the benchmark, at the same time addressing our own issues.
Thank you, Sir Melo.
Question for Calvin Oftana. Calvin, you've had some struggles dito sa semifinal series ninyo against Meralco. How have you been preparing para makuha ulit yung rhythm mo after a few shooting slumps nung semis?
Tapos na yun eh. Hindi ko iniisip yun eh. And syempre, different ball game naman against San Miguel. Second time na makita sa finals. Different approach naman yun every game. Kaya nga sabi nila nga, every game is a different game. And yung nangyari sa series against Meralco, syempre may makukuha, matutunan ka doon. And those mistakes, those games na may mga makukuha ka to improve more on your game. Take it to the next game. And yun lang, syempre, you need to do that on your practice naman. Hindi naman yun isang gabi lang na mag-i-improve ka agad. Thank you.
If you have more questions, let's ask everyone. Sir Jerry?
Good afternoon ulit. To Poy, Kelly, and Brandon, I'm sure the task of taking on Junmar Pardo depends on all of you guys. And Junmar average, at one time the semis at 20-20 per game no average. So how do you like your chance of going up, or at least limiting Junmar's numbers in the finals?
Yeah, it just takes a team effort. Like you said, all of us will have opportunities against them. I'm sure of that. Henry as well. So just working as a team, playing team defense, that will be a key.
Kelly?
Yeah.
Sino ba? Poy muna?
Yeah. Sabi niya, Brandon. Pareho lang naman. Syempre.
Dagdagan mo naman, boy.
Yeah, it's a team effort pagkalaban mo talaga yung San Miguel. But hindi lang naman si Junmar yung babantayan namin eh. So, syempre, you have the guys na sobrang, kaya sila nasa finals kasi ang galing nila individually, di ba? And as a team also. So kami, our goal is to play as a team, to bring our A game every game. Diba? Sabi nga ni Coach Shot even if we bring our A game, talo pa rin kami. Pero we will try. At least every game we will bring our A game. So at least it gives us a chance na makapag-compete, diba? So, yun.
Kel?
Sabi ni Poy.
Sige, sumagot ka na kanina. Okay na yan. We move on now to the San Miguel Beermen. Rodney, you started most of the games for San Miguel Beer this Philippine Cup, and then Coach Leo Austria made an adjustment. Just talk about the mental readiness of just accepting kung ano yung kailangan ng team, kung ano yung role na kailangan mong gawin dito sa finals din.
Hindi naman sa akin importante kung starter ka or nasa second unit ka. Yung goal naman namin is still the same lang. Doesn't matter kung sino yung nasa harapan, kung sino yung nasa kabilang side. Ang goal pa rin is para manalo. So kung yun yung makakatulong para manalo, mas madali naman siguro para magalis.
Thanks, Rodney. More questions from the media? They're on that side. Yes, sir.
Hello, Brian Nolanday from the Philippine Star. For Poy, last time na nakalaban ng SMB na injured ka, and now healthy ka, tapos galing ka pa nga sa history with Gila sa SEA Games. Paano mo tinitreat tong finals so for another milestone, kumbaga?
Unang-una, siyempre, blessed makapaglaro ulit sa finals, di ba? Thank God na nandito kami as a team. Siyempre, para sa akin, sobrang one of my dreams to always play in the finals. Kasi if nasa finals ka, nasa top 2 ka na magagaling na team sa PBA, di ba? So being here, being able to play at this level and being able to help the team in any way possible is a blessing for me and opportunity to showcase my ability and talent in the biggest stage, which is PBA.
To Calvin, CJ, and Junmar, pang ilang finals matchup nyo na to pero ilang beses rin kayong palaging magkasama sa Gilas. Meron pa bang iba kung naghaharap kayo lagi sa finals like this time?
Sumagot ka, Kaz. Sumagot ka, Kaz. Di ka na nagsalita dyan.
Sorry, nakalimutan ko yung question.
And then, lagi kayong naghaharap sa finals pero lagi rin kayong teammate sa Gilas. Meron pa bang iba, kumbaga, tuwing naghaharap kayo and this time second straight ata?
Wala naman ng iba kasi we're used to hang out sa Gilas eh. So yung lang naman pag dito sa finals, minsan walang kaibigan. Talagang binibigay namin yung best namin. We compete at good competition naman. So ayun, si Calvin, sanay na ako dyan, kasama ko lagi yan sa kwarto. So yun. Secret. Calvin, close ba talaga kayo ni CJ?
Hindi. Hindi kami close yan. minsan lang magkahiwalay. So, happy lang ako kasi nga, kahit sa Gilas or dito sa PBA, magkasama kami. And yun nga sabi ng mga coaches, di ba? Sino bang magsasawa kung nasa finals ka palagi, di ba? Yun yung pinakamaganda. And sa labas ng court, pero pag sa loob ng court naman, alam naman namin yung trabaho namin eh. Yan lang.
Same. Pag nasa loob ng court, wala mo ng kaibigan. Pero pag sa labas, siyempre, kaibigan tayo. Magkalaban lang tayo sa court, pero hindi naman tayo magkaaway sa labas. Hindi naman tayo magkaaway. So, gagawin namin yung best namin. Alam naman natin yung Tokendex ganun yung gagawin. So, may the best team win na lang. So, yeah.
By additional, in serious contention ka for your 12 best player this conference. Ano masabi mo dun sa...
Di ko iniisip yun. Yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, sa isip ko, sa isip ko, laging wala akong napanalunan ng championship, wala akong napanalunan ng awards. Kaya yun yung nagdadrive sa akin na sana this conference makakuha ko ng first championship ko, makakuha ko ng first award ko. So yun yung nagdadrive sa akin. So,
thank you.
Good afternoon po. Siguro sa coaches po, obviously TNT and SMB are the two deeper teams sa PBA. How do you see yung benches nyo taking a factor dito sa finals po? Thank you.
Well, for me, it's a very important factor yung bench. And if you note this, since the start of the conference, our bench is performing well. And that's my goal because every players in my teams, I trusted them. And that's why na-mention kanina in the last 4 games namin sa semifinals. So, different players ang nagiging best player. And then, it's a competition, healthy competition in our team. That's why every practice talagang nag-i-enjoy sila and everybody's competing each other. And that's the way how we how to be a competitive team. But at the end of the practice, magkakaibigan sila, nagbibiruan sila. But ito yung habit na gusto naming i-develop. Pagdating ng game, makikita mo seryoso sila. And then lumalabas yung mga angas nila. Ganyan. And that's the way how we approach the game. Every game is different game because we know since the start of this conference, most of the team building up their team to be competitive. And fortunately, we're able to make it again to the semifinals and then finals, and hopefully this championship give us another chance. But it's not that easy dahil alam naman natin na ang kakatunggali natin is determined to win a championship. That's why sabi ko kanina, it's good for the fans because both teams is really wanting to win a championship. So ang magbe-benefit nito ay yung mga mahihilig sa basketball. Thank you.
Coach Shot?
As talented as San Miguel starting unit is, they lead the league in bench points. So nothing else needs to be said after that.
So let's go straight to the source of some of those bench points. Don Troliano, your role in this squad, sometimes you play 15 minutes, sometimes you play 30, but when you're hot, your teammates, pinupuntahan ka talaga. Gaano kalakas, gaano kasarap yung kumpiyansang binibigay sa'yo na pag mainit ka, palagi kang pinapasahan ng mga kampi mo, like sila Junmar and Chris Ross and Marcel?
My mindset kasi is, hindi ko naiisip na second unit ako. First five ako ng second group. So that's always the mind. No, I mean that's
pakiulit.
Like my mindset is hindi ako reliever ng first five. Like I can be the first group or any other team. So that's always the mindset. Kaya pag pinasok ako, I'll just do my job.
Thank you, Don. Now, I think Marcio has not answered the question yet. So Marcio, after all this time, 11 championships under your belt alongside Chris and Junmar, what keeps you motivated and hungry to win another championship for San Miguel Beer?
Yeah, it's just, I'm doing it for my teammates, just being there for them, obviously my family, and then the love of the game. It just keeps me going. So just showing up to work every day, seeing my teammates, and then just having that common goal is at the end of the year or conference is get a championship. So just great to see the guys who come in who haven't got one yet to get one for them, or just build on from what we did from our last one.
Thanks, Marcio. One final round of questions.
Question po kay Com. Com. First question, gaano ba yung expectations natin sa mga manonood? Kasi medyo maganda yung naging turnout from last conference na nagharap ang TNT tsaka San Miguel. So ano ang expectation natin for these finals?
Every finals naman talaga nandiyan yung mga fans. Basta nagsimula yung playoffs natin, quarters, semis, finals, nandiyan sila. So inaasahan ko itong laban na to, magandang matchup, okay yung mga players, sana walang masyadong injury, maganda to. Katulad din sabi ni Coach Leo, para sa mga fans to, itong matchup na to.
One final question, yes.
Yun nga, pinapatanong ni Sir JV. Yung sa magiging stricto ba tayo sa mga game officials kasi ayaw naman nating mangyari yung from last time.
Nag-board meeting kami nung Thursday. Pinag-usapan namin na dalawang head coach o coaching staff pupunta sa PBA tomorrow para kausapin yung mga referees na i-assign namin for the finals. Para makita kung ano appreciation sa tawagan. Paano tawagan, magkaroon ng konting liwanag ang mga coaches pati yung mga referees. First time namin gagawin to, pero baka gawin na namin every playoffs. So, nanggaling kami sa 24, naging 16, naging 14, 12 na lang tayo itong finals. 12 to 14 ng referees natin. Sana maayos ang tawagan. Hindi naman natin mawawala yon. Pero gagawin namin lahat. Para mga players din yan eh. Kung sa tingin nila dapat nilang gawin o tulad lang sinabi ng mga players, depende sa gising. Pero sa referees, kailangan talaga sila laging handa. Masususpend sila or baka matanggal sila.
Coach Leo, question pa. Kasi nung elimination round, ang ganda ng simula nyo, 10-game winning streak. Umabot pa pala sa quarters yon. And the last time na meron kayong ganung winning streak, hindi kayo nag-champion eh. So ano lang masasabi mo, anong tingin mo dapat nyo gawin para hindi na maulit yun?
Sana mabago yun eh. Pero hindi ako yung coach noon eh. Noong time na yun eh. Pero...
Mic drop.
We will try our best na nawala because it happens to San Miguel and this is San Miguel also, so I hope na hindi mangyari yon.
And ano po, siguro po sa mga coaches, kasi po last week na-announce na yung ditong final series na to, the first time na may award yung Ramon Fernandez Trophy. Baka kunin lang po namin reaction po ninyo, maybe Coach Chot, Coach Leo, or siguro si Junmar, or mga naka-finals MVP na po.
Junmar, reaction. Ramon Fernandez will be named for finals MVP. Your reaction?
Ano ulit yun? Ano ulit yun? Dapat lang. Kasi siya yung barometer sa mga players. Siya yung nilulook up namin. So, yeah, deserve. Walang doubt.
Kunin mo ba yon?
Hindi, yung championship yung kukunin namin. Bahala na yung sino manalo ng MVP. So, yung goal namin yung championship. So, yeah.
Siguro sa TNT rin yung last na nag-finals MVP si Ray.
Ray ng Bata?
Oh, Ray.
Yeah.
Unsay pangutana? Ay ano yung
Finals MVP kasi pinangalan kay Ramon Fernandez. So being a former finals MVP winner, ano lang reaction mo doon?
Ano ulit? Sorry. Siyempre, big respect kay Ramon Fernandez kasi siyempre, deserve naman. And kita naman natin talaga yung ginawa niyang impact sa PBA. So, for me, wala namang big deal dun. And, ayun lang. Thank you.
I think we're all done with questions. And on that note, we would request one final word from PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall just to invite the fans to come, show up, watch live, watch on TV dahil magiging magandang serye ang TNT versus SMB.
Katulad ng sinabi ng teams, ng dalawang coaches, si Coach Jola, si Boss Robert, magandang matchup to. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi to sa finals, pero totoo. Nakikita naman nyo kahit sino mag-finals, ito yung top 2 best teams dito sa All Filipino. So, maganda to. Panoodin nyo. Game 1, Antipolo. Game 2, Antipolo. Game 3, MOA. Game 4, MOA. MOA. Game 5, Antipolo. Tapos MOA. So, sana magsama-sama tayo doon at iniimbitahan ko yung mga fans. Ito talagang bakbakan to. Sana walang masuspende. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall. Thank you, San Miguel Beer and TNT. And that will do it for your PBA Philippine Cup Finals in our 50th season. This is the race to Golden Glory, the final lap. It's time for photos. So lahat po nung nasa likod, lapit tayong konti, right behind our coaches and our PBA Commissioner, this is San Miguel Beer versus TNT facing head-to-head, best of 7 to crown the champions of your PBA 50th season Philippine Cup.